we are going to be tackling the Bridal Veil Falls Trail. Today happens to be the only day that actually has sun. The rest of the week is supposed to rain, so what perfect day to hike and opt outside. And of course, we've got Noble here, Keldon, and me. So how far is this trail?
3 miles.
And how much elevation?
800.
Is that a lot?
Nope. Poo Poo Point is 1,200. So Natalie has found some
I found mushrooms.
mushrooms, and supposedly it's turkey tail.
It's called turkey tail mushrooms. And what can we do with these anyway?
Boil them and eat them maybe? If
No.
they're actually turkey tail.
Noble doesn't even know what we're doing.
These things are crazy. Probably are.
Whoa, look
Hold
at
on,
this big one. Look at this big one. Oh my goodness.
Guess what?
Let's go.
I found a portobello.
That's a portobello? Are you sure?
It looks like one.
Are you sure?
I don't know. Doesn't it look like a portobello?
What kind of mushroom is it?
It looks like a portobello.
Are you sure? What kind of mushroom is it?
I wouldn't eat it.
We've made it to the sign.
What's up with the sign? Tell me about it.
We finally hit the point where two roads diverge, and we can either go to the Lake Serene Trail or the Bridal Veil Falls Trail.
What's the difference?
The Lake Serene Trail is a longer hike and a higher elevation, so we're gonna do the Bridal Veil Falls. And Noble's doing super good so far.
Except for he's really dirty.
Yeah, he's super dirty. All right, let's go. I'm leading the way. Come on, guys. Hey, cutie. You're doing so good so far. Go, go, go. Good job, Nobi. My mountain. How long do you think these trees have been here?
At least a year. We made it to the top! And guess what? We got this really nice view behind us as well. Wow. It's gorgeous up here. It's epic. Nobble's like, I'm sick of this.
Nobble! Let's wash this boy's belly. Ah! Go ahead, Noble.
We're almost back.
We are almost at the beginning of the trail. It was pretty easy. Would I do this hike again? Absolutely, because even though the pictures just showed a waterfall, actually reaching that point and being able to see that force of nature was insane. It was absolutely breathtaking. We took a bunch of cute pictures and videos. Honestly, pretty great way to spend our day off. We officially made it back to the old stomping ground.
This is where we are now. We went all the way up to Bridal Falls, or Bridal Veil Falls. And now we're walking back.
And look at how messy this dog is. He is perhaps the only casualty of this hike. The first order of business: clean this dirty dog. Holy moly.
Start with his belly. It's gonna have to definitely go in the sea.
Yep, working on that. Goodbye, Bridal Veil Falls Trail. Well, that was a fun day out. Thanks for thinking of this. And I'll see you guys in the next video.